Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2015 Chrysler Town & Country, and let me tell you why this is the best van you will ever find for under $15,000. This is the Touring L package, which is going to come equipped with just about every option you can get. You're going to get your premium alloy wheels there, which I love. You're going to get your power seat on both sides. One thing I really love with the Town & Country is the dual glove boxes that you have here for tons of space and storage. This one, of course, is going to have your power doors on both sides. You're going to have the captain's seats and plenty of room there. And the thing I like, when you flip that, you see easy access right there into your thing. And then, of course, this one does have your stow and go seating. I've got a full pictorial of that at citymotors.net. Make sure you check that out. And you can see you're also going to have your stow and go here in the back. Those rear seats will flip down into there and gives you a ton of storage right there, or you can have very good comfort for up to 5 passengers in the back. This one, of course, is going to have your power lift gate. Push that button and the lift gate will fall shut right there very smoothly. In the back here, again, power doors. Again, tons of seat. You do have your rear entertainment system, which is awesome. Rear climate control. And again, plenty of room in these things. These are one of the most comfortable minivans you could ever own. This one, you're going to have all of your power options with rear vent windows there. Power driver seat. You're going to have your auto headlamps with fog lights. You're going to have your Bluetooth streaming audio to your premium system. Cruise control, of course. This one does have backup camera. Has an HDD hard drive system, which allows you to import your personal music there and store it right on board. You also have a DVD player there that's going to feed your DVD in the back, your screen in the back. Dual climate control, actually tri-climate control, because you're going to have passenger, driver, and rear climate controls there. Plenty of storage down here. A very versatile center console there. And again, very clean. This one is a locally owned van. Very well maintained, very affordable, and equipped exactly how I would want it equipped if I were getting one. Very good looking van, and keep in mind at City Motors we have no processing fees. That's a huge deal. Don't get stuck paying stupid processing fees. In addition to no processing fees, we're going to give you a 6-month 7,500 mile warranty. That is a coast-to-coast warranty with roadside assistance. So if you're out of town, no worries, 6-month 7,500 mile warranty. You can call us at 540-433-7335. You can text that number 24/7. Guys, do not miss this one. Tons of van for the money. Get here quick. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.